Chicago Union Station.
So right now we are walking to work. I don't know why I made that decision. I think I did it for the vlog. It's not as cold as it was yesterday, but it's definitely chilly. You can still see my breath, and the sun is out a little bit more, so that's helping it. But we're in a wind tunnel right now. I'm on 4K 24 frames per second. I've got the horizon correction on, negative 0.7 exposure value, 100 to 8,000 shutter, and we are at 100 to 6400 on the ISO. Normal 10-bit color, no D-Log. Lots happening in Chicago, never a dull day. So I think another reason why I chose to walk was because I really want some coffee. It's like one of those mornings where it is a perfect day for some warm coffee. The only issue is I have a 9 a.m. meeting that I have to make. It's 8:45 right now. I'm probably, with the coffee stop, still about, let's see, 12, 13 minutes from where I need to get to. We're up against time. But you know what they say, first, coffee. What's up, buddy? Good, good. Recording, if that's okay. The people like you on my channel.
Exactly. All right. Shout out to the people.
Yeah, I'll do a small marshmallow latte hot with oat milk.
I wish I would have gotten the order right for the people. People are gonna be like, this guy doesn't know any regular orders. What the fuck?
No, the Otrada's good. It's just I'm like, I don't know if I want that much. Well, it's not too sugary, I don't think, but.
It's a little bit different.
It's
still fun.
It's cold. I saw marshmallow. I was like, I gotta have that. It's been a little bit since I got you on there. Everybody liked that video.
You got any holiday plans?
Just sticking around town. Usually my wife and I go to both of our parents are in Florida. I was gonna say, so I just posted that video from that holiday party. If you have time, go on there and watch it so you can see all the craziness that happened. But they had the Leo High School there as like a live entertainment. They were on America's Got Talent, apparently.
Okay.
Yeah, some of the like a cappella team or something like that.
Yeah, they must have a good arts program.
I don't know how far they went on America's Got Talent, but
That's awesome.
they blew up on there apparently.
I mean, if you're on.
Yeah,
you're on.
it was pretty cool. So now they're getting all these gigs.
Here, for a lot of the holidays, we're closed. Christmas is the day after.
Okay.
And New Year's Day.
Yeah.
But outside of that, we're open.
Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, if I'm down in the city, I'll try to come by. I know once Friday hits, we're pretty much closed until the new year. So I don't know if I'll be coming down, but I'll probably bring my parents out here.
Yeah.
Hit up a couple spots. All right, look at that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. All right, we've got the Big Shoulders coffee, marshmallow latte with oat milk. That is delicious. Shout out to Lou and crew at Big Shoulders Coffee on Lake Street. They do it right. All right, what's up, guys? So, because I work in advertising, I get to see rough cuts of commercials that we're going to make or different ads that we're going to make. So, that's what I'm doing now. I had my early meeting at 9 a.m. I made it just in time. Now, we're going to get into the work for today, starting with watching some of these rough cuts and providing notes from a strategy perspective. But yeah, it should be fun. It should be really cool.
Profiles to work with other than normal color and D-Log, which honestly I've been really enjoying on the Action 6, and I ended up buying the Osmo 360, the intensity from 30%, 50%, 70%, 100%. So in this video I got this for very cheap, and I also have so many other cameras now that I don't need this to be my primary camera like I was using it with the X5, so replacement lenses, not as big a deal for the price.
We're getting in our Uber right now. For Julian? Thank you. Good, how are you doing? Are these like little limes or something? What do you mean? Cruise?